राजपाल यादव के लॉयर ने किया एक बड़ा दावा। राजपाल यादव्स लॉयर क्लेम्स कंप्लेनेंट वांट्स जेल ओवर मनी डिस्पाइट ₹40 crore प्रॉपर्टी सरेंडर। आपको बता दें, पिछले कुछ दिनों से राजपाल यादव हैं सुर्खियों में। वो इसलिए क्योंकि पहले तो उन्हें जेल जाना पड़ा एक चेक बाउंस के केस में, और कल ही ऐसी खबर आई कि उन्हें इंटरिम बेल मिल गई है। एंड नाउ हिज ब्रदर चंद्रपाल यादव शेयर्ड द सेंस ऑफ रिलीफ ऑफ द एक्टर्स फैमिलीज फीलिंग। आपको बता दें, मंडे यानी कल राजपाल यादव गॉट रिलीफ इन द ₹9 crore check bounce case after the Delhi High Court granted him interim bail till March 18. After Rajpal got interim bail, his lawyer Bhaskar Upadhyay has spoken about the case, accusing the complainant of having malicious intent against Rajpal Yadav. The lawyer alleged that the complainant wants to see the actor in prison and the matter is not really about the money. He also said that securing bail for the actor in this layered and complicated case was not easy at all. एक मीडिया पोर्टल से बात करते हुए भास्कर called Rajpal Yadav a family man and clarified that he's not a lawyer. He said that the actor does not understand legal technicalities and had told the court that he would pay whatever amount he's owed. The lawyer also argued that Rajpal himself had a lot at stake in the film that flopped, which eventually led to his financial woes. Accusing the complainant of having malicious intent towards Rajpal Yadav, भास्कर ने ये भी शेयर किया कि ये बात सिर्फ पैसे की नहीं है, as the actor had already surrendered his original property documents, whose worth is around 40 crore. भास्कर का कहना है कि the complainant said that we don't want this and just kindly execute the decree by sending him in jail. He added Rajpal had given his original property documents. He surrendered it before the court, stating the value of my property is more than 40 crores. तो वहीं पर राजपाल यादव के अनपेड ड्यूज के बारे में बात करते हुए भास्कर shared that ₹2.5 crore has already been arranged. The lawyer also revealed that Rajpal was under immense pressure as he had to pay back ₹5 crore and he never disputed this amount at any point. Bhaskar further clarified that the amount of ₹5 crore was invested by the production house in the film and was not taken by Rajpal as a personal loan. This 5 crores was invested by the complainant in that movie and not given a personal loan to him for his personal needs, he said. Lawyer ने ये भी confirm किया that several members from the film industry have come forward to provide financial help to Rajpal Yadav. हालांकि उन्होंने नाम नहीं लिया और ये कहा कि राजपाल यादव इसके बारे में खुद बात करेंगे। उन्होंने ये भी कहा, he is strong, he says he will comply with court directions. His only request is that his side be properly heard. तो वहीं पर राजपाल यादव के भाई चंद्रपाल यादव shared the sense of relief the actor's family is feeling and also expressed hope that good days are about to come for the family after the actor got bail. मीडिया पोर्टल से बात करते हुए चंद्रपाल was seen smiling and holding hands as he said, हमें किसी से कोई शिकायत नहीं है, जो भी दिन थे वो हमारे दिन थे, अब हमारे अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं। दिन प्रतिदिन इस केस में नए अपडेट्स आते जा रहे हैं और अब देखते हैं कि आने वाले दिनों में इस केस में क्या नया अपडेट आता है।